Okay, Algebra 2 Objective 16 is on composite functions. It's a carryover from the first 9 weeks. So given f of x equals x squared plus 3 and g of x equals x plus 6, find f of g of x. So what we're trying to do here is f of g of x. We're trying to find f, well, g of x is x plus 6. So what that means is we're taking the x plus 6 here and putting it in for x for the f function. So where it says x squared, I'm going to substitute the x plus 6 for the x, then square it, then plus 3. X plus 6 squared means x plus 6 times x plus 6. So we need to do FOIL or the Punnett square with x and 6 and x and 6. So x times x is x squared, x times 6, 6x, 6 times x, 6x, and 6 times 6, 36. And then we can combine our diagonal here. So I'd have x squared plus 12x plus 36. But then we still have to take and count this plus 3 at the end, so we need to bring that down and add 3. So I'd have x squared plus 12x plus 39. We look at the second one. Given f of x equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 and g of x equals x minus 3, find f of g of x. So again, in this case we're finding f of x minus 3. So I'm going to substitute in x minus 3 for the x's. So I'd have 2 times x minus 3 squared plus 3 times x minus 3 minus 4. So you got to be careful here. Make sure you do everything in the order that needs to be done. So we do not distribute the 2 first here. We have to take the x minus 3 squared. So that means we're going to do the box here with x minus 3. So that gives me x times x squared, x times negative 3, negative 3x. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. So here we have x squared, negative 3 plus negative 3x is negative 6x, plus 9. Now we would need to bring down this 2 and distribute. And then we have plus 3 times x minus 3 minus 4. So now if we distribute the 2, we have 2x squared minus 12x plus 18. Distribute the 3 here, plus 3x minus 9, and then minus 4. So if we combine our like terms here, there's no other x squared term. I can combine negative 12x and 3x to get negative 9x. And then 18, negative 9, and negative 4 is positive 5. Okay, and the third one, given f of x equals 3 parentheses x squared minus 2 and g of x equals 4x squared, find f of g of x. So here, f of g of x, well, g of x is 4x squared, would equal 3 parentheses. Now we put a parentheses for the x, so 4x squared to the second minus 2. So we know we need to work out 4x squared squared first. So we have 3 parentheses, so 4 squared is 16. X squared to the second, when you take a power to a power you multiply, so x to the 4th. Then we have minus 2. And then we distribute. So 3 times 16x to the 4th and 3 times negative 2 So I get 18x to the fourth minus 6. Take that back. 48x to the fourth minus 6.